How to create an account on Twitch. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Twitch TV account. So to do that, first of all, go to your web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, or you can also download the Twitch app on your mobile device. Now, whichever one you open, your interface will somewhat look like this, where you'll have to tap on the sign up option on the top right corner of your screen. After that, simply enter a username for your Twitch account. So now once you've entered your username, simply create a new password for your Twitch account. Now once you've created a new password for your Twitch account, tap on the option next step. After that, you'll have to verify either your phone number or your email address. So you can verify any one of these. For now, I'll simply verify my phone number and then tap on the option next step. Now you'll have to enter your date of birth over here. Now tap on the option sign up. Now if you chose your email address, you'll have to enter the code sent to your mail, but since I chose my phone number, I'll have to enter the code sent to my mobile device. So the code is 703691. Now once you've entered that, tap on this option right over here, and then as you can see, account has been verified. So now once you tap on the option done, you can see that you have successfully created a Twitch account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.